we'll guide you through how to get the ClickUp Unlimited plan. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ClickUp website and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the bottom left of your screen and click the Upgrade button. From there, you'll see an overview of your current plan. To upgrade, click on the button that says Upgrade Plan. You'll be presented with options for different plans. Choose the Unlimited plan to see the features and benefits it offers. Click Select Plan under the Unlimited option. You'll then be prompted to enter your payment details. Make sure to enter the correct information and review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you've confirmed everything, click Confirm Purchase to complete the upgrade. Your account will now be upgraded to the Unlimited plan, giving you access to enhanced features like unlimited integrations, dashboards, and more. If you have any issues during this process, there's a chat support option available at the bottom right of the page where you can ask for help. Upgrading to the Unlimited plan is a great way to unlock the full potential of ClickUp, especially if you're managing a growing team or need more advanced tools. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.